This is automatic one hand inset housing, and one hand is soldering. This is two feeding plate for two kind different housing, male and female housing. You can check. Like this, two feeding plate. It can change easy. So usually, if your housing is two kind, we can change. But if your housing is much more than two cans, it is hard to change the feeding plate. And this is the CFM pressure device. You can see this machine with the soldering. This is our OTP terminal mold. Touch screen. This is touch screen brand. This is for the 10 cable inset housing and soldering. You can see soldering fixture. Here is the soldering port, and here is the feeding cable fan for the 10 roller.